semi-drunken day in South Bank. Bonjour YouTube, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this in any part of the festive season, Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. If you're not, have a good normal day. Today, or last night in fact, I collected the 7 Series off Justin. I have it for a month. So, I thought, why not? Let's take ourselves to Euro Car Parts and let's do some little bits to it and surprise him, because it needs a bit of TLC, and bless him, he hasn't got a lot of time on his hands, he's got a little one. So, myself and Harry, we're going to go to Euro Car Parts, get some bits, so join us for it and then watch us fail miserably in changing the easiest parts on a car known to man. Stay tuned. Right, so we're coming up to the 7 Series now. Firstly, that's the most important van that lives around here. Secondly, here it is. So, we're in the 7 Series. For those who haven't seen it before on the channel, there is a video on it somewhere up here. This is a 1998 BMW 740i, which was purchased off the back of a semi-drunken day in South Bank. This was the cheapest 740i on Auto Trader, and it's in good nick, I believe, for what it is. However, there's a few little bits which I'm going to try and do for Justin just to make his life a little bit easier. So one of the headlights is gone, so we're going to replace the headlights. I'm going to replace all the headlights as well, so it's got better bulbs in it. We need to replace a number plate light, so we're going to get that today. We need to do the windscreen wipers, I think. They don't look too bad, we'll look at that when we get to Euro Car Parts. And we need to put some washer fluid in it. So nothing major, guys, but as you know, we on this channel are useless when it comes to car maintenance and DIY stuff, so stay tuned, it could be a funny one. So we've done the run to Euro Car Parts. It was very busy, so we didn't get the camera out, but now we're doing the obligatory stop at Mackey's and get some food. We're not taking it to the drive-through, but we're going to get some food. Right, so as you can see, we have fueled up, we've got food. I'm now back with the car. I've already noticed a few things, so let's go talk through them and then we can work on the rest of it. So, I think the actual screen wash pump is dead. So if anybody knows how to change pump for a screen washer on a 740, please let us know. I also then bought these for the number plate on the rear of the car. Turns out they don't fit, so we'll be taking them back with a receipt. We do have the washer wiper blades, but they'll be useless if we can't do that. So that just leaves me to change the headlight bulbs, which should be an easy job. So I've already made a start. I've taken this case off and now we have to remove the light bulb just in there. So I'll see if I can get that done quickly and efficiently. So that is the headlight change process complete. If anyone's interested in what bulbs we use, these are the main headlights I've used, and these are the dipped beam. They look good already, but it's not dark yet, so who knows what they're like. So lights are done, as you can see from the time lapse. Next on the list is the wiper blades, which I can already tell are going to be a pain in the arse. Follow me why. Here's the wiper blades, and you can't get them off. So I've just found a video to learn a little trick. Let's see if it works. Let's see if that works. Beautiful. Beautiful. We are using the Bosches. This one came off very, very easily. He just unclips from here. We'll get the other ones on. Shouldn't be too long. So that's what we can do today done. In short, headlights working, windscreen wipers changed, washer filled up but it's not squirting, and now I've realised that one of the rear tail lights is out. We've still got 3 out of 4, so he's changed that, and the number plate bulbs were wrong. We can't win everything. It's a work in progress, and hopefully I can get this done before it goes back to Justin. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. If you like it, make sure to like and subscribe if you're still with us. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.